Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is a beauty box and it is the vegan kind, if my camera wants to show you. There you go. The vegan kind beauty box. This is my second one, I think. It is a bi-monthly beauty box. It is £18.15. Well, that's what I paid because I signed up, I think, for 3 months. And yeah, it's all vegan stuff. They do a snack box as well, which I've had, which I'll link my videos up there or in the description box. I've cancelled that one now. I really did like that one, but I'm just trying to save money, and what with the current situation, we're not earning as much as normal. My cards, my business isn't doing as good as it could, so I'm trying to cut back a little bit. But this is a bi-monthly one, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna keep this one because I like it. You guys seem to like this one. I know people are really keen on the cruelty-free and vegan beauty boxes, so we're just gonna get into it. I think they have an offer on their website. Yeah, if you use the code vegan, just go onto their website, thevegankind.com, and use the code vegan, you get £5 off your first order, whether it's the beauty box or the snack box, you get £5 off. So let's just jump in. Ooh. Okay. So this is what, something in here smells really good. I think it's, yeah, something in here smells really good. It smells like sweets. So this is the Vegan Kind Beauty Box 27 April-May edition, and it says overall value of the box is £50 plus, and we're just gonna dive in. So the first thing is it's a shampoo bar. I've never used one of these. I've heard good things though. I know people use the ones at Lush, but I've never actually used one. So it's a foamy. Love the name, foamy. Love that. Really pretty packaging as well. This is worth £6.99. This is what I can smell, I think. Meet Foamy, the shampoo bar, an excellent hibiscus scent formulated specifically for damaged hair. Yep. With repairing nettle extract, which provides strength and elasticity. Foamy shampoo bars are designed with functionality in mind, feature an ergonomic design with an integrated string to hang them up. No more soap, tray, slush. All foamy products are RSPO, PETA and FSC certified, plastic free, pH balanced, cruelty free, and don't contain any nasties. So let's just get it out because I have never actually seen one before. So I'm intrigued to see what it's like. Oh, it smells so good. So it's got a little hanging bar. It's really pale pink, really pretty. What do you actually do with it? I don't even know. Place bar under water, rub between your palms to create a lather, or rub directly onto hair. Spread your product evenly throughout your hair and rinse thoroughly. Hang to dry. That's awesome. It says 25 uses, so that's really good. I'm very excited to try that. I will let you guys know once I've tried it, but that's the first thing, and that's lovely. Next up, what are you? A Set and Prime Blur Stick, Makeup Academy Pro Base. So let's have a little look what it says about this. Solid priming stick. This solid balm fills fine lines and minimises the appearance of pores. For a super smooth, soft base, apply before makeup for the ultimate pro base. So £5. Let's try and get it out of its plastic prison. Can't ever give on to try and find the teary thing. Okay. So it's a roll-up stick. I would put it on my face now, but I've got makeup on, so. Ooh. It's completely translucent, I think. Yeah. It smells quite nice. It smells just a little bit sweet, and it's just, it feels like dimethicone. Where's the ingredients? The ingredients aren't on it. Oh, they had to be on things. Oh, they're on the bottom. Oh yeah, the first ingredient is dimethicone. So if you don't like ones that like fill your pores and that feel very silicone-y. You won't like this, but if you do, then you will. I think I quite like this. I'm going to put it over my nose. Yeah, we'll give it a go, see what it's like, see if it works on my old lady skin. Next up is a Tala leaf face cloth. Kind to your skin and the world we live in. The leaf microfiber face cloth is reusable, easy to clean, and removes your makeup using just water. Say goodbye to harmful chemicals and throw away makeup wipes. Oh, I love stuff like this. I am currently using one of the really big, is it called the makeup eraser? Absolutely love things like that you just wet them and it just takes your makeup off. Amazing. Oh, this is really nice. So it's a little black, like a reusable makeup remover, but then it's got like a little pocket so you can put your hand in. Really like that. I will use that tonight and we'll see if this is Jeffree Star, and he is notoriously long lasting on the face, so I will try and see if this gets it off, and I will put it in the description box if it works or not. But I love stuff like this. I have makeup removers that don't require cleansers in all, well, one in the downstairs bathroom, one in my ensuite, and one in the bathroom, just in case, depending on where I am, where I want to take my makeup off. So yes, I like that. What's this? This box was carefully packed by Susie and then double checked by Dorota. I think she double checked it last time. Next up, we have got an organic face moisturizer. It's rose with aloe, shea butter and vitamin E. I absolutely love this packaging. Like, it's like Fox's baby food comes in packages like this. It's like the paper packaging. I love that, but I'm not even going to open it because it is rose. It says rose. Yeah, keep your face hydrated and well nourished on a daily basis with 100% natural ingredients. This luxurious dense moisturizer is jam-packed with non-greasy blend of shea butter, cocoa butter, and omega-3 fatty acids. Apply morning and night for continuous hydration. I cannot bear the smell of rose, and I especially don't like it on my face, so I will give this to my friend Lucy, who is vegan. I know she will really appreciate this. And yeah, I'm not going to use that, but that's really nice. £16. I will have a look on their website. It's SkinFed, SKNFED, and see if they do any other scents or if it is just the rose one, and I'll put it on the screen if they do. But that's nice. I love the packaging. I think that's awesome. I think it's a really, really nice packaging and really simple. I've got a bit of plastic stuck to me, but yeah, I'm just not going to open it because it's rose and I know I won't like it. And then the last item, Perfecting Balm Gloss. Ooh, Studio 10 Lip Perfecting Balm Gloss, £22. Ooh, I know someone's gonna like this. One of my little girls will want this because she loves a lip balm. Studio 10 Triple Action Tinted Lip Treatment Balm and Gloss. Soothes, smooths and refines while enhancing with a supremely flattening, warm, peachy gold hue. One sweep with this advanced blend of hyaluronic acid filling spheres, antioxidant vitamin E and collagen boosting amino acids deliver enviable shine and natural lip colour throughout a lightweight, non-sticky, long-lasting glow. Seasonal change and a busy schedule can cause lips to become dry and dehydrated, and they need intense nourishment. The answer, a triple action lip treatment, balm and gloss. So I've never heard of this brand, but that sounds amazing. Let's do a little swatch on my hand. Oh, it's pretty. Doesn't really smell of anything. I don't know if you can see, it's really, really shiny. It's very, very kind of pale peachy, but that's really pretty and that is so shiny. I don't want to put some on over my lipstick. I'll probably ruin the wand. Let's have a little bit and just... feels nice. It's really pretty. You can see it's really shiny. I like it. I think that was a really good box. I think that's my favourite one. I think I've only had two or three. Two, I think. But that's my favourite one. Although I'm not going to use this. If it was a different scent, I would absolutely love that. But everything else is 100% going straight either in my shower, these, or in my makeup tray. So, or to a friend. But yeah. that was the April-May box. I think if you subscribe now, you'll probably still get this box. But I will link it down below and let you guys know. But if you like these kind of videos, please give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.